so nice.
Fuck,
9, 8, 7.
What the hell is this?
Got your ass now.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
My fingers burn!
Mamma mia!
No, sinete, pero conete, no conete.
Mario, are you hurt?
Eto, ito na labas. Kinabato.
Brace yourself, friend!
His fingers really is stuck.
Why do you guys keep laughing at Mario getting his pingas stuck?
He's gotten his fingers stuck countless of times before. Actually, I think it's only twice, and this time is the third.
Oh, that seems like a Mario thing to do.
We're onto it.
All right, guys, let me handle this. Stop moving. That badass won't hold still.
Hey, Psycho! John, help Mario out!
What? What the fuck?
I guess I know who to call.
Peter, that dumbass got his finger stuck.
Guys. How will we get up there?
Can't this thing fly?
No, the fuck it can't.
Alright, Mario, let's go bring it down! Hey, Mario! There's some spaghetti!
Are we really going to use the tank to help Mario out? And why put Mario right in front of my cafe?
I won't miss.
I'll take it from here.
You what, mate?
I said I'll take it from
Fuck
here.
you too.
What the fuck is that?
Get that motherfucker. What the
Damn it, Swag, you blew up the cafe.
See, I stopped the invasion.
Mamma mia!
Ooh.
Well, shit.
Where are we now?
A construction site. You better hold still this time.
We got that.
I give up.
Looks like Bob can't fix it.
I tried.
Pingas!
We're not giving up on you yet. Aha! We attach a laundry machine to the excavator. Then pull it away. Hit it, Bob.
I do it.
We're back, bitches.
Swag, can we just help Mario?
Yes.
Mamma mia!
Mongotay toro sa na po ko na petoro.
Of course. It has to be. He's my son. Unbelievable.
Stop it. Stop it. Okay? All right.
Lucky me.
He's dead.